let's have a quick talk about what is Patreon and why you're probably here. You've probably seen, if you're a creative of any type, probably a YouTuber, that people are asking people to become Patreons of their channel. And what you can do is ask people to pay a certain amount in return for rewards, or maybe not, and then you get a second revenue stream from your YouTube channel or whatever your creative endeavor is. If you're a musician or an artist, whatever it might be, um, you're going to create a Patreon page. I'm sure if I can go to mine if I click in here. I'm going to create one as well in a few weeks just to prove that I think people should be doing it. But basically, what it's going to do is, if we go to a page, let me go. Can I go to my page? You can set up a Patreon account. You can obviously support other people. Let's go to my page if that's it. Yeah, this is my page, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to set up a page. It's like your profile page on Facebook or something like this. You've got your little feed, and you can write messages to your community. You can make them private. You can make them public. But what the real key to Patreon is these pledges here. The tiers that you decide. How much do you want them to be a member? You've got a dollar version, a dollar tier, $3, $5. You might have just $1 or $50. You might have a $25 one tier. But what you're going to do on each level, as they level up, you're going to give them more rewards. So pledge $1, thank you. Next time I see you, I'll give you a hug. I'm going to show you some examples of what other people do in a minute. $3, you get early access. I've just actually clicked on a quick starter kit that's put some as if I was a recording artist. Early access to my songs, $3. You get a digital download of my songs for $3 a month. Here's another $3. Oh, I tell you what I did. I was messing about and I imported some tiers direct from the quick starter. I'll show you in a minute. $5. You receive access to unlisted videos for your eyes only. So you can make some of your YouTube videos unlisted, but only let your Patreons know where to find them. The private videos, right? $9 a month. Early access to live events. Giving people discounts for tickets or early access to let them buy the tickets before they sell out. So if you have an event that sells out every year, but you want your Patreons to be first in the door, not your 10,000 subscribers, you want your 100 Patreons to get first dibs, $9 a month gets you in that door, right? Or whatever you decide. Discounts off merch, one-time purchase discounts, one-time rewards, right? And then what happens is you get paid monthly by your Patreon. So it's going to say here, 200 patrons. Depends which tier they sign up for. And it'll have a month value. You can decide whether to show it or not. And you will get this monthly recurring revenue. You're going to keep giving your rewards to people. You might update your rewards. You might tinker with it. You might ask your community on YouTube to come over or wherever you might be. And you can talk privately with them. You can send messages to everybody via email as a post, and it'll say, my latest video's out. You'll get to watch it 5 days before everybody else, or 10 days, or it's an unlisted video. It's basically a private members website that's going to take all the money for you and give you it's going to take a little bit of commission. We're going to talk about pricing next, and then send you the difference, right? So just think private members club, where you're going to give unbelievable value and rewards for people paying you direct, but the platform does all the hard work of the back end and sends it out for you.